Ready, start. Mr. Chairman, sir, I would like to say that the government is providing money for rural areas of our country, but that money should be spent to strengthen the fishery industry, sugar industry, agro-based industry. The money should be invested only towards that direction for the cultivation of banana, sugarcane, or be it fishery, dairy farming, agriculture based industries, etc. That would lead to generation of more and more avenues of employment in rural areas of our country. The government should invest money to strengthen these areas to develop our rural areas. Sir, the Honorable Labour Minister wanted our suggestions. I do not like to embarrass the government by quoting the economic survey figures presented by the same government. The data available states that out of the total number of job seekers registered with the employment exchanges, more than 70% youths are educated. The number of women job seekers registered was of the order of 2 crores. Sir, unemployment is closely related to the increase in population. The population of this country is increasing by leaps and bounds. All the steps to control growing population will help in solving the problem of unemployment. There are other factors also behind this unprecedented growth of unemployment. Poverty is one of the major factors. Besides, lack of proper planning, corruption, and illiteracy are also contributing to this problem. Problem of educated employed is all the more serious when the educated youth fail to get employment as per their capability. They turn hostile, they feel frustrated, and they resort to strikes and protests. To take how many places will you send central forces to control the agitation of youth? They do it either in the name of extremist activity or otherwise. They fall prey to antisocial elements. They exploit them to serve their ends. They become a challenge for the society. They create law and order problem. The maximum number of job seekers awaiting employment was in West Bengal, while the minimum was in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. But this government is claiming that the employment opportunities are going up. Where is it going up? I accept many statements of the honorable member. At least he understood what the present situation is. Did the government address those issues? No, not at all. No efforts have been made so far. The country has not become so industrialized that it can accommodate the educated unemployed youth. This situation has led to migration. There is a lot of pressure on big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, etc. Every day, thousands of youth reach these cities in search of employment. They create pressure on the civic amenities of these cities. Sir, I would like to submit that if the government cannot give jobs to the youth, it should not punish the unemployed youth by making them pay the fees for every employment opportunity that he undertakes. Therefore, I appeal to the Honorable Labour Minister through you, sir, to abolish immediately all kinds of fees for tests and interviews which are to be sent along with the application forms for employment by the unemployed youth. The government should abolish it. Do not think of providing job in terms of annual or monthly salary. It is time we must create and give emphasis to self-employment programs. Bank support to the self-employment program has been drastically cut down by this government. Where will the unemployed youth go? During our period, subsidy support for the public sector banks for self-employment project was a total strength to the unemployed youth, but it has been drastically cut down. Today, the unemployed youth men cannot say that they go to the bank, get the project and come back. Today, on the one hand, the Honorable Prime Minister is telling that he will provide 1 crore jobs and justify it by giving only 60 to 70 lakh jobs. On the other hand, the Honorable Minister is making different statement in the House. Is this the way to run the government? The present government is not very keen on checking the unemployment problem. It must initiate some schemes to contain the problem. Soft bank loans should be provided to the youth to start their own business. In addition, training programs for short terms skills should be imparted to the unemployed youth. There are lots of institutes which offer training to youths for various programs. With liberalization, more and more companies are coming to India. They offer jobs opportunities to skilled workers. It is good for our country and the unemployed youths. Sir, I have no hesitation in accepting that the situation is improving but with low pace. The most important thing is that government machinery should be more sincere in implementing different schemes and programs for improving employment opportunities. Education should be made job oriented. Stop.